That's the issue with people who have extreme personalities.
Yeah.
Like ये आर है या पार है.
You either love me or you hate me. There's no in between.
Yeah. मेरी हर चीज़ का जवाब यही है, why not? Like, मैं कर लूँगी, मैं सब कर लूँगी.
Snobs.
हाँ.
And it becomes so suffocating working with them. They think they are privileged, they're entitled.
मैं फैमिली का पार्ट बन जाती हूँ शादी कवर करते करते. But then there are some people who will make sure कि आपको पता हो कि आप एक सर्विस प्रोवाइडर हो and we own you. It was just that I want to tell real stories and fashion wasn't real, right? It was obviously एक set होता है, एक mood board होता है.
When you're creative, I think you're more close to God. Because isn't this a trait that you share? You create.
Yeah. I'm a walker. One thing about me is I'll walk. Okay.
Park walk is something I can't.
Why?
मुझे डर लगता है.
लोगों से?
Yeah. And someone like me, I'm fearless.
Yeah. Headphones लगाओ और But why do you need to work for that brand? अगर आप इतने against हो, just because you don't want to be cancelled out.
That happens. ना करो ना फिर काम नहीं करो.
Like just don't say no.
Say no. Hi guys, this is Mandir T and Her and I'm Ulia Suleiman. Today I have this girl with me. She is overly stimulated all the time, wears many hats at the same time as well. She is a videographer, photographer. She's going to talk about so much in the industry of creative people because I also work in fashion houses and couple of other places. So I know that this, there is a gender bias towards attached. We're going to go deep dive into what Simab has to say. Hi.
Hi Ulia, how are you?
I am well. How are you?
I'm good.
Simab, I'm going to talk from the beginning. You have this ace business that's called Wedding Diaries. I like them. The way you picture the weddings, it does tell a tale. And you also have been doing photography for many years now. So tell me, why are you so stimulated and why are you wearing so many hats and what's going on?
I think at this point, because I've been doing this for so many years, now I want to branch out and do other things. So I think अब तो यही है कि बस photography बहुत देर से हो गई, even though that's my true passion. But now I just want to do everything else also.
So you started off
I started off with photography. I started off with a lot of fashion. Actually, I started off with product photography. Right. So I used to do like chote mote product shoots, and then I started with like ek do shadis, and that's when I started posting a lot on Instagram, and that's when brands started contacting me, and then I did fashion photography, a lot of fashion photography, and then of course हर किसी की ज़िंदगी में कोई crisis आते हैं, और मुझे भी आ गया कि मेरी ज़िंदगी का ये मकसद नहीं हो सकता कि मैं सिर्फ कपड़े बेचने में help कर रही हूँ लोगों की. I need to do something more meaningful, so that's when I stopped doing fashion photography. Which when I think about it now, I mean, पूरा completely stop नहीं करना चाहिए था मुझे. I could have, but that's the issue with people who have extreme personalities.
Yeah.
Like ये आर है या पार है.
Yeah.
और बस ये नहीं करना तो नहीं करना.
You either love me or you hate me. There's no in between.
Yeah, that's true.
Right.
So इस तरह, and then I started focusing on weddings, and I wanted to like set up that business कि अच्छा मैं इसको एक दफ़ा कर लूँ. And then I also started, assisting directors on film sets because I wanted to do filmmaking. So बीच में सब कुछ चल रहा था. So it was filmmaking, and then I would disappear for 6 months, maybe go to Hunza, Karachi, wherever the film was being shot. और फिर मैं गायब रहती थी. जब मैं वापस आती थी तो दोबारा scratch से business को set करना पड़ता था. So then now I'm taking a break from film also. So now I'm focusing on weddings and उसके साथ साथ और 10 जगहों पे हाथ डाले मैं.
How is the fraternity of photography?
So initially I think बहुत अच्छे लोग थे, बहुत अच्छी opportunities, सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा होता है. And even with weddings, I mean, it depends on the kind of clients you get, right? You sometimes it's hit and miss situation है. कभी आपको बहुत अच्छे clients मिल जाते हैं जो आपसे बहुत aligned होते हैं, and कभी नहीं मिलते आपको. With people, I just think कि थोड़ी सी pretentious ज़्यादा है. मतलब जो आप हो वो आप नहीं दिखा रहे, और you're just not being your true self at times. Which is fine.
It's a national dilemma, I know.
Yeah, I think and कुछ reason ये भी था with me stepping away from fashion was कि I mean you are what you say you are, but your actions don't show that, right?
Yeah.
और वो जो एक ये भी behavior है that we're better than you, you can't sit with us. वो मेरे साथ हुआ नहीं है, but I saw this happening with other people, and I cannot like
Yeah.
मैं बहुत मुझसे नहीं
Yeah,
I can't
yeah.
see that happening around
Right.
me at least.
And your pivot point was?
आई थिंक यही था कि पहले तो वो क्राइसिस हो गया ना मुझे कि ये मेरी ज़िंदगी का मकसद नहीं है
हाँ.
मेरी ज़िंदगी का मकसद इससे बड़ा है ये सिर्फ ये नहीं हो सकता कि मैंने बस कपड़े बेचने में मदद करनी है एंड देन आई वाज लाइक आई वांट टू टेल स्टोरीज व्हिच इज़ व्हाई फिल्म मेकिंग में चले गई मैं वेडिंग डायरी मैंने आई स्टार्टेड दैट it was just that I want to tell real stories and fashion wasn't real, right? It was obviously एक set होता है एक mood होता है एक mood board होता है but I just wanted to tell real stories basically and that is why I switched.
I know
Yeah.
because I know you, but I would really want other people to know as well. There is this Saqib Foundation that you have,
Saqib Khan Foundation,
right? And this is for charity. And there was this very infamous case where the kid was suffering really dismal disease.
Yeah.
And now, mashallah, he's on the recovery road. And this was one of those projects where people were like, nahi, nahi, ye to paise zaya kar rahi hai. And I've heard people, ki when the kid is this in that later stage, it's better to, put that money somewhere else where there is more chances of hope. So charity was also a probability case somehow turned into. You have done an impossible task in that, and I applaud you for this. This is so good. I'm so happy that I know you, and I know that there are people like that who go till the end of the thread. How is that going on? What kind of people you are attaching in, and are there more projects of charity that you're working on?
For now, I did take a pause with that too.
Okay,
Because
you
I
have.
was doing so much, so many other things, and I think.
Okay,
maybe-
what are those other things?
So at the moment, I mean, I won't take their name because अभी मैं training कर रही हूँ. So
जी,
I'm
जी.
training to become a dance fit instructor
Ooh,
at this
cool.
fitness studio. And I used to be a client there. मैं वहाँ client थी, and then I used to take their classes. And then one day the instructor asked me if I would want to be an instructor. I was like, okay, why not? Because मेरी हर चीज़ का जवाब यही है, why not? लेकिन मैं कर लूँगी, मैं सब कर लूँगी. So मैंने वो करना शुरू कर दिया, and I didn't realize कि वो कितना मुश्किल होएगा, क्योंकि वो training है. So अभी 3 महीने हो गए हैं और मेरी training हो रही है because डांस फिट में सिर्फ स्टेप्स और सिर्फ आपने वो नहीं देखना कि आप करें कितना रहे हो आप कितना एंजॉय करो इट्स स्टैमिना ऑल्सो सो लाइक 1 घंटे की क्लास के लिए अगर मैं ट्रेन हो रही हूँ तो अगर मैं 10 मिनट के बाद ही मेरी सांस नहीं बच रही तो फिर मैं क्या इंस्ट्रक्टर बनूंगी सो दिस इज वाई द ट्रेनिंग इज स्टिल गोइंग ऑन बिकॉज मेरा स्टैमिना आई हैड टू बिल्ड अप द स्टैमिना टू बी एन इंस्ट्रक्टर सो इट वॉज वेरी डिफिकल्ट सो वो भी हो रहा था साथ साथ आई वॉज डूइंग वेडिंग्स बिकॉज वेडिंग सीजन भी गया है अभी तो वो सब कुछ भी चीज़ें साथ साथ चल रही थी सो साकिब खान फाउंडेशन को पॉज इसलिए लगा क्योंकि आई वॉज डूइंग a lot of other things and I remember कि मेरी अम्मी I think she is also like a driving force behind it because she kept reminding me रमज़ान में कि माँ you had to do this कर नहीं रहा ऐसे हाँ मैं करूँगी and then I couldn't do it because वो रह गया as far as the अज़लान जो आप जिसकी बात करे थे अज़लान केस की बात करे थे I think more than me उसकी जो अम्मा थी निम्रा I think उनके अंदर जो मैंने पैशन देखा था ना या बट लाइक होता है ना कि कुछ लोग कहते आई ऑल्सो नो पीपल हु लाइक अच्छा ये तो नहीं पॉसिबल तो हम कितना ही कर सकते हैं बट आई सॉ देयर फैमिली आई वेंट टू इस्लामाबाद आई मेट देम और उन सब में जो यकीन था ना लाइक अल्लाह पे एंड आई वाज लाइक ये तो I have to do this because
mountains.
And it did. और वो बच्चा बॉस्टन पहुंच गया और उसका सब कुछ उसके पता नहीं कितने करोड़ जमा होने थे और वो सब जमा हो गए और वो पहुंच गया उसका इलाज हो गया हेल्थी अल्लाह का शुक्र है
अल्लाह का शुक्र है
सो यही है कि आई फील लाइक जब कुछ होना होता है ना तो लोग जरिया बन जाते हैं बट होना तो अल्लाह की तरफ से ही होता है
राइट यू आर आल्सो रनिंग
हाँ सो आई वुड से कि मैं अभी एक रीसेंट रनर बनी हूँ आई एम अ वॉकर वन थिंग अबाउट मी इज आई वॉक so basically do you run
I walk
okay you walk so say I am a walker
I walk
मुझसे जितनी मर्जी वॉक करवा लो लेकिन मैं नया मुझे रनिंग का भी
I walk but I walk on a treadmill
okay
I have a controlled environment walking I'm okay park walk is something I can't
why
मुझे डर लगता है
लोगों से
yeah
क्या कर लेंगे वो
I know and someone like me I'm fearless and मुझे I get scared of walking alone I can't I would have to have someone so in a gym it's a controlled environment and I do gym regularly I would either do my Pilates or my gym or something or the other I will do 4 days a week I have to but walk is on my own is going to be so scary I don't think I can
headphones
do that.
लगाओ और बस
Yeah, when I travel,
Huh.
that's the best thing I do.
Huh.
It's so liberating.
Yeah.
And I stay where I can walk like 5 miles around or 7 or 10
Huh.
even, and it doesn't feel because it's so
Honestly,
liberating.
the only thing जो मुझे पाकिस्तान से मुझे कोई कुछ और बुरा नहीं लगता, बट एक चीज़ जो हम पाकिस्तान में वॉक
Yeah.
नहीं कर सकते ना,
नहीं कर सकते.
ये मेरा बहुत बड़ा मसला है, बिकॉज आई थिंक मैंने बहुत बार कोशिश की है कि मुझे फ़र्क ना पड़े और मैं सड़कों पे चलूँ और मैं भागूँ और कोई मुझे तंग मत करे, बट एट द एंड ऑफ द वॉक मुझे कभी ना कभी वो ईंट उठानी पड़ती है
Yeah.
किसी बाइक वाले को दिखाने के लिए कि आप मुझे फॉलो मत करें.
Oh,
सो ये होता है बहुत दफ़ा. अब तो है,
Yeah.
मुझे इतनी आदत होगी आपको कि आपको पता है कि आप सड़क पे निकलोगे और कुछ ना कुछ हो जाएगा. So that's,
See how this is so basic that you
Yeah.
require. It's so basic to have I mean, somebody just wants
Yeah.
to walk,
हाँ.
and you happen to be a woman in Pakistan,
हाँ.
and you can't.
सैड बात है ये वैसे
ये
काफी.
है.
मुझे
very
वॉक करनी है यार.
You do like intimate weddings, big, fancy ass weddings, all of them. Tell me, how are the cultures around it?
So बहुत different cultures with different families. I remember start में I used to prefer कि अच्छा मैं छोटी शादियाँ cover करूँ, मज़ा आएगा. But in all honesty, बड़ी हो छोटी हो doesn't matter. It obviously depends on the kind of people you're working with. I mean some people जो इतने humble होते हैं, I mean big ass weddings, but so humble, then you realize why
You know,
they
God
are
has
what
blessed
they
them.
are.
Yeah,
हाँ,
yeah.
why have Allah blessed them so much? क्योंकि वो इतने down to earth हैं, and they'll treat you as maybe I mean मुझे बहुत लोग ऐसे कहते हैं आप हमारी बेटी हैं, आप हमारी, so मैं family का part बन जाती हूँ शादी cover करते करते. But then there are some people who will make sure कि आपको पता हो कि आप एक service provider हो, and we
Yeah.
own you.
Yeah.
And I remember one I also have received like a legal notice once.
Oh, really? What did you do?
So I don't know if I should talk about it.
Okay, that's all right.
So no, I mean I will tell you like a summary of it. So basically the wedding got cancelled. ठीक है. और and then उन्होंने okay, no, story बहुत लंबी है basically, but I don't know if I should tell.
Okay.
So when they were booking ना, so एक होता है ना कि आपको 50% advance देना होता है.
Yeah, of course.
So even at that point, like you can tell कि आपको ये client थोड़ा खवार करने वाला है, क्योंकि उन्होंने कहा हम 50% भी नहीं देंगे, हम इतने देंगे जो हम अभी दे सकते हैं 30%. और उस टाइम पे ये काफ़ी पुरानी बात है, 2-3 साल पुरानी बात है. आज से चलें ठीक है, जैसे आपको जो भी तर लगे, कोई मसला नहीं.
I know.
And now I know कि भाई ये तो बहुत बड़ा सिग्नल है कि ये आपको बहुत तंग करने वाले हैं बाद में. So anyways, long story short, उनकी शादी कैंसिल हो गई. And then they were like कि आपको जो हमने दिया था वो भी हमें वापस करें. I was like, and at one point I used to do that. COVID में I returned all the advance because I was like यार क्या कर सकते हैं. But like when I see around people doing their own businesses and people don't give advances back, and then we have to pay the photographers which we've booked for that day. And सिर्फ हफ्ता रह गया था या कुछ दिन रह गए थे शादी में. I was like I have to cut the amount that I had to pay to the photographers क्योंकि उनका slot booked था. like क्यों photographers तो पहुँचे ही नहीं थे क्योंकि शादी तो हुई नहीं. I was like do you not understand what I mean कि उनका वो दिन booked है, they booked for the day, उनका वो दिन ज़ाया होएगा तो मुझे देना है उनको, तो I will cut that amount. Anyways, long story short, उन्होंने बहुत लंबा खींच दिया इसको कि हम आपको लीगल नोटिस भेज देंगे, आप ऐसे भेजें. मैं भी भेजूंगी आपको क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि क्या क्या आपने गलत किया है. सो वही बात है कि लाइक कुछ लोग आपको बिल्कुल नहीं ओन कर लेते हैं और कुछ लोग आपको कहते हैं कि आप भी फिट हो, हम आपको we're here for you, you're providing us with your service, and
your artistic liberties are there.
वो आपकी आर्ट को रिस्पेक्ट कर रहे हैं और वो आपको वो स्पेस भी दे रहे हैं कि आप खुद भी ब्रीथ कर सको, आप इंसान हो और हम we know that you're here for work and that's it. Yeah.
And you do see this, like this translates into other branches as well, not just the weddings and whatever, even in fashion photography or dealing with whatever you do in every array of life, in every profession that you're in. There are people who are like snobs, and it becomes so suffocating working with them. They think they are privileged, they're entitled, and then they would act that way. I was talking to somebody earlier on the show here, Monday Tea and Her ke upar, and I was talking to them and I was like, there are so many things that you can do, and power is so silent, it never comes with the noise. So and all these people who have like really high opinion of themselves, think that they are better than the rest of the people, and also have this bias towards their entitlement, which I see a lot in our culture. I see this, maybe we don't live in other cultures, or maybe that's why we glamorize it, but wherever I've traveled, I see this very little. Even men would open doors for men and they would
Yeah.
wait, they would queue down. It's the betterment, the entitlement that we have here is just something very, I have found at least very less. Before working with fashion houses, I was also working for, individuals doing their houses, doing their
Okay.
office spaces and stuff. The reason why I left that and I don't do it now, I do it with very heavy heart. वो भी किसी का अपना घर हो जो मेरा वैसे भी बॉस हो, तो आई एम लाइक क्या अच्छा ठीक है कर देंगे वो. But because they feel so entitled and they think that your craft is something that they've put money on, and that's where they they have it, and बस वो करेंगे जो करेंगे, and you're somebody who's just like a labor, just putting all the things together. So that every creative, not just you, every creative faces that. People are every sort of from they are different. Their livelihoods, their upbringing, the way they treat you tells you how enriched they are in among themselves. So this is what I see in people when I was working. So I kind of left that one-to-one jobs. That's why I stick to only like professional environments and professional chain stores and stuff. So I know that I'm dealing with like the full company rather than
Not
one
one person,
individual. And then they're just getting down onto I told you this at this day and you didn't talk to all of that. So ये सब नहीं होता. And
ठीक है.
our bodies are not in a way designed कि every day it's going to be same productivity level. It can't be. You're a woman. You can't perform 30 days in a month in the same way
Yeah.
as anybody else does, as any man does, to be precise. So I think ये भी होता है.
So the thing that you mentioned पहले कि वो जो एक
Entitlement,
हाँ entitlement है जो I really do feel very strongly about it because I've seen a lot of it happening around me, not with me, अल्लाह का शुक्र है, but around me for sure.
Yeah.
I just what I really want to say is कि जितनी ज़िंदगी मैंने गुजारी है, जितने मेरे एक्सपीरियंसेस हैं, आई स्ट्रांगली बिलीव हम सबकी बहुत इनसिक्योरिटीज़ हैं. एंड इवन द पीपल हु शो के they've got their shit together, उन सब की इनसिक्योरिटीज़ बहुत ज़्यादा है, चाहे वो बड़े से बड़ा सेलिब्रिटी हो. आई वर्क विद लाइक सेलिब्रिटीज़, राइट? सेलिब्रिटीज़ हो जाएँ, models हो जाएँ, they all have insecurities.
Of course.
Right? But then don't make the other person feel less now.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
आपका जो ये बिहेवियर है कि यू कांट सिट विद अस एंड यू कांट डू दिस विद अस, आप एंड देन यू लुक डाउन अपॉन समवन, नहीं यार, लाइक लिटरली लाइक डोंट डू दिस. लाइक ये बहुत पीछे गुजर चुका है. अब सब इंसान है, जिस तरह आए उसी तरह वापस जाना है. सो लाइक चिल. बट ये मैंने बहुत देखा है. फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन यूज्ड टू वर्क विद दिस वेरी लाइक बिग फैशन हाउस, सबसे मेन ही है मोस्टली, हमारे एक दो में से ही है. एंड देन आई रिमेंबर आई नोटिस्ड हर मेंटल हेल्थ पूरी की पूरी तबाह होते हुए. वो आएगी और वो खाना रखेगी और लोग उठ के चले जाएंगे, या फिर ये हाई स्कूल में भी नहीं करते थे हम लोग. इतनी तमीज़ सिखाई भी हमें कि हम हाई स्कूल में भी नहीं करें. और ये आप बड़े होके एक वर्क प्लेस पे कर रहे हो, मतलब I just don't understand कि ये आप कैसे कर सकते हो. लाइक ये मेरी तो अंडरस्टैंडिंग से भी बाहर है, बहुत दूर दूर तक है. सो आई जस्ट फील है कि आप सबकी इनसिक्योरिटी सेम है. हम किसी, अगर मैं बैठूंगी ना यहाँ पे एक बहुत बड़ी सेलिब्रिटी के साथ भी, मैं उसको बोलूँगी यार मुझे, वो कहेगी हाँ यार मुझे भी यही मसला है. सो यू सी लाइक इनसिक्योरिटीज हम सबकी सेम है. Obviously confidence is one thing जो कि आप सब में होना चाहिए, and then you should not let anyone get to your head, but just also try to be kind. And not point out कि अच्छा ये तो ये ऐसे लग रहा है, ये वैसे लग रहा है, ये गलत है, ये सही नहीं है, because everyone's dealing with some shit.
हाँ, of course.
Yeah.
Of course.
I mean, I think off topic for sure, but something I do want to talk about is that there's this certain brand we all know about, जिसके हम बहुत जो कि हम headline से बहुत ज़्यादा सुनते हैं, for strong views, strong beliefs, and to each its own. The problem that I have with people are, the creative people I mean, is they work for that brand, but then they don't want their name to come with it. Like, you get what I mean? I mean, because that brand has very certain strong beliefs about a few things. I'm not saying right or wrong, and I'm not saying कि creatives के भी right हैं या wrong हैं. But just the fact that, oh, please don't
associate my name
हाँ,
to that.
हमें स्टोरीज में भी ना लेकर और जब शूट हो रहा है हमें क्रेडिट्स में नाम भी ना देना, बट यू वांट मनी फ्रॉम दैट ब्रांड, ओके, दैट्स व्हाई यू वर्किंग. बट व्हाई डू यू नीड टू वर्क फॉर दैट ब्रांड? अगर आप इतने अगेंस्ट हो, जस्ट बिकॉज यू डोंट वांट टू बी कैंसल्ड आउट अपने ग्रुप से.
Some of this cancel culture is going like everywhere.
Yeah.
Restaurants, hotels. I mean, from small get-togethers to bigger jobs.
Yeah.
It is there. Like the lobbies are there, the mafias are there. You have to dress in a certain way. If you don't have, like a special accent for English, you're going to be cancelled out on that. So ये चीजें तो बहुत ज़्यादा है. And I think not just one brand. There are also other things that people would take money from the same people.
Yeah.
And then, say bad mouth them or start bickering about them.
Yeah.
So that happens. Na karo na, फिर काम नहीं करते.
Like just don't say no.
Say no.
First they want to know what the budget is.
Yeah.
And then they'll think about it कि अच्छा यार ये इतना worth
और
है.
अगर बड़ा है तो हाँ फिर कर लेते हैं.
हाँ तो फिर मैं
And
अपना
because
नाम-
वो बड़ा है तो कर भी लेंगे. Like
that is what happened.
Yeah.
But that is what I've heard has happened, right? कि अच्छा इतना है, चलो मैं सोचता हूँ कि मैं अब I don't want to say this, can I sell my whatever soul for this?
Yeah.
But yeah, and
Yeah.
even with other brands, अब नाम लिए बगैर बोलना बहुत मुश्किल हो रहा है, but other brands who are owned by that brand and they're very woke and they have all these
हाँ.
friends,
हाँ. And they know this.
Do they know कि उनके
Of
brand
course.
के stakeholders कौन है?
हाँ, of course, they all know that.
Are
Of
you
course,
sure?
everybody knows everything. It's just that again, it comes down to, if your views are that strong and if you think that you're that right. I'm not going to say that I would not side, I would side. I have my very right and wrong designed and, set in my head. I am a black and white kind of person. So for me, what for right for me is right, and what for wrong for me is, like I would go ahead and say it. And I would align my thoughts with this particular brand or any other brand or whatever. But at the same time, if I think something is so off, can't you just
say no?
Can't you just not do it?
Yeah. That is my problem basically.
Yeah.
ये मेरा मसला है लोगों से
हाँ.
कि जब नहीं कुछ सही होता ना तो फिर ना बोल दो और चुप करके बैठ जाओ.
Yeah. हर जगह टांग घुसाने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. So that's that. And then also this cancel culture na, it gets to my head. Like it gets to my head, and the example that you gave me for somebody, I don't even know who you're talking about, but somebody I know in some of the offices I worked in, there were two of those people, and neither they of them were together because they didn't want it to look like Gorky and Nuds together in a one corner. जैसे वो Mean Girls की फिल्मों में आप देखते थे, back in the days. And they were isolated among themselves and also isolated in the office. And this office was like a marketing this and that and fula and tumka, like really top notch. And yet this happens. And when you're creative, I think you're more close to God. Because isn't this a trait that you share? You create.
Yeah.
Right? And that's why.
That's a nice way to say it.
That's a thanks. That's something that you share with God, and that's beautiful. And the more humble you are about it, the more ace you do with your craft and your profession. And also, I mean, to hell with profession and craft. I mean, inside, you don't need a pill to sleep. Isn't that
That
great?
is what I was going to say. कि at least like when you're clear from inside, आपको रात को नींद आ जाती है.
बिल्कुल ठीक आती है.
हाँ.
I sleep like a baby when I sleep, and my sleep is like the best time of my day. And that's important because I know कि मैंने इस तरह की चीजें अपने साथ attach नहीं की हुई. और and yes, with me it is like ride or die type situation.
हाँ, मेरा भी वैसे यही मसला है जिंदगी में कि बस ये सही है और ये सही नहीं है. तो I mean I think now मैं थोड़ी सी बेहतर हो गई हिसाब से कि अच्छा नहीं, हर चीज़ एक्सट्रीम नहीं होती है. मतलब I remember my friend pointed out once, पता नहीं हम बहुत छोटे थे तब, इतने बड़े भी नहीं हुए थे कि लव और हेट का मतलब बताओ. So he was used to be like, oh I hate this, oh I love this. She's like, like नहीं सुना क्या होता है, I don't like this, I love और hate ही है सिर्फ.
हाँ म्याना
Singing.
रवि का कोई चक्कर नहीं है हालांकि you know it's the best thing to have
Yeah, हाँ, true. सीख रहे हैं.
see it's in progress
हाँ, yeah.
yeah no I truly believe that and also when I started off my interiors and retail designing Sima, very few women were doing retail chain stores. Interior designing mein, you will see amazing women in Pakistan who are doing like tremendous job. When it comes to architectural drawing and MEPs and consultants and talking to the mall managements and activations, and then you know all these people are usually men sitting at the
Yeah.
top high ups because इसके अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा brick and mortar का system है, so a lot of money is involved and high
Up to
stakes
it's
of money.
changing, right? Up to it has
In
changed.
these fields, there's still men.
Okay.
Right? In these fields, there's still retail designing and expansion ke andar, there is like I'm the only girl in the entire lot. But hear me, in the entire career of 14 years, not even once I have faced any kind of Alhamdulillah, jinx nahi karna. Any type of harassment or you know backhanded comments or laid back compliments or you know weird sort of things that you tell somebody off, but at the same time you need a level of maturity with it.
You do.
You should know that you can't joke your way inside a meeting, especially if you're a woman. A man can get away with these things. You can't. If you know this now from the beginning, you're just cautious. And then also people are intimidated by my presence in the
अच्छी बात है, ये होना चाहिए. I think होना-
meeting. Go for good or for bad,
हाँ.
but my personality is like
Yeah.
that. So in that way, they know she means business and
Okay.
she knows her craft, but वो सब कुछ तो ठीक है कि कभी बैकहैंडेड स्लैपस्टिक चीप जोक्स और हरासमेंट इस
नहीं
तरह
है,
का
yeah.
नहीं हुआ. I've gotten bigger accounts, हाँ वो भी सब सही है, but at the same time had it been a guy he would have performed a little less than me and still would have gotten the big chair.
Probably, I mean, depends on, you know, yeah, you're right. It depends on the situation also and the people that you're dealing with. कुछ चीज़ें लड़कों के लिए आसानी से
बहुत
उनको,
हो
you know,
जाती
even
है.
being somewhere, time भी depend करता है क्या है, situation depend करती है,
Yeah,
किस
yeah.
लोगों में
Yeah.
आप उठ बैठ रहे हो. तो yes, it's easier for them, I would say 100%, especially the field that you've mentioned. उसमें बहुत easy है उनके लिए to find their way or you know to. But I think when you mentioned ना कि for you people didn't mess with you because they knew the kind of person that you were. I think मेरा थोड़ा सा with my field and with my personality, I think मेरा थोड़ा सा opposite रहा है because I do believe I'm a very easygoing person, but
You are.
and like मैं सबसे बन जाती है, like किसी भी तरह का इंसान हो, I will get along, I will have a conversation, but then also होता है ना कि so difference ये है कि when you're being pushed बार as in like चलो एक चीज़ हो गई, दूसरी चीज़ हो गई, but एक point आता है where फिर वो फटता है और फिर वो बहुत बुरा फटता है.
Yeah.
And it has happened at times with, you know, as with wedding clients, it has happened कि ठीक है,
Part of
okay,
the trade,
part of
right?
it, yeah.
Yeah.
You're like अच्छा ठीक है, ये चीज़ बर्दाश्त कर ली, ठीक है, भी सही है, वो भी सही है, वो भी सही है. But then at one point you just explode कि और वो गुस्सा, और वो I think that's a bit, one should not have this trait क्योंकि वो फिर आप सह रहे हो फिर आप फट रहे हो.
But Samab, this is not your trade
हाँ.
only. This is happening all these women sitting
हाँ.
in this studio right now
हाँ.
and the ones who work with me, I'm sure the ones who work with you, वो भी यही कहेंगी. I let it go the first time, the
हाँ.
second time I also let it go. The third time I couldn't. You know, why did you let it go the first time?
हाँ. No,
I
I mean-
say that to myself
हाँ.
as well. I
हाँ.
have done that too.
True.
The first time you let it go now, then it's an invitation for the second time to be happening.
100%. I mean, I'm not talking about harassment and stuff. I'm just
Yeah,
talking
yeah,
about
yeah.
people being very like
नहीं harassment
chill
तो
about.
बहुत
वो तो फिर
serious है
चपेड़ी
ना.
पड़ेगी very
हाँ,
time
वो
पे.
तो बहुत serious है
But
ना.
हाँ.
But like normal, like
हाँ.
I'm just saying like trade के
Yeah.
अंदर you get like backhanded compliments. I could have never done it. What do you mean by that?
हाँ,
This
क्यों
is
नहीं कर
not a
सकते थे?
compliment. If you think that this is a compliment, it's not.
True.
Somebody saw that now that I have free time on my hand because I'm a consultant rather than a full-time
हाँ.
job, So doing my own thing, and then I'm so blessed that I am with somebody who is cheering for me. Having those kind of bosses is also a blessing, and I've made
True.
best friends with my bosses all my life, throughout my career. I could pick up the
That's
call
nice.
and talk to them, all my CEOs and all of that. So, but at the same time, all these people would, and women inside the room or men, हाँ अब आपको क्या ज़रूरत है? If there is a check pending or if there is a fee coming to
हाँ,
you,
क्यों नहीं ज़रूरत?
अभी हाँ अब तो आपका अपना है,
हाँ,
like
support
you're
तो हाँ,
you're an
हाँ.
entrepreneur, so why would
Yeah.
you need that? Or like now it happens, and then आपको like there are the things like I wish I could have done that. And then for me, they think that it's okay to say, like, it's something of a compliment. I don't take it as a compliment because I know that it's not. Like, why couldn't you do it? What's stopping you? Anything. Pick up a needle,
Yeah,
button
yeah.
business. I mean, starts business, whatever it is.
Yeah.
If it's your calling, you have to go for it.
हाँ, 100%.
You know what? I just don't know how to end this episode.
हम बहुत घूमे हैं इसमें.
Yeah.
ये यहाँ से लेके और I hope we made some sense.
We at least made sense to one another.
हाँ, that's true.
Well, this is what happens when overstimulated women with so many things that they're doing put together their thoughts. काम आता है घर, environment,
True.
country, a lot of things. I think economics, education, everything.
I think also like a lot of I think my fitness journey is also related to this now.
Yeah.
Because मेरे पास इतना कुछ है, इतनी energy है
Yeah.
कि वो it's better कि मैं कहीं सही लगाऊं, ये ना हो कि
Yeah.
किसी का कत्ल कर दूं कहीं जाके. It's better कि
No,
मैं
don't
gym
do
में या
that.
track पे लगा दूं.
Yeah.
So I think that is also coming from the exact same point कि अंदर it's just too much going on. Like,
Yeah.
ये भी करना है, वो भी करना है.
Yeah. And it's in bits. You don't have to be a master or perfect in one
Yeah.
field. I think this is where we're okay with it.
I think this also comes with age.
Hmm.
I mean, I wanted to be the best at what I was doing, right?
Right.
And I also started very young. I think मैं बहुत young थी जब मैंने product photography शुरू कर दी.
Same.
So now at this point, now I want to do other things. I think अगर आप जो लोग बहुत पहले से काम करना शुरू कर देते हैं, एक टाइम आता है जब उनको तो यार अब हम और शौक पूरे करें. And it's not like आप अपनी टांगे फंसा रहे हो बहुत जगहों पर. I mean, it's okay if you want to do like 20 things and just be okay with being okay at them.
So I just had the best yap session ever in the entire series of this Monday Tea and Her. I am so happy by
That's so
meeting
bad.
like women who are like this. I have mashallah met such an amazing community and built along the way. I think Mondays is going so well, and there is the reason why it is. Because it's women like you who understand the hustle, and they're kind of letting it be okay and go and go with their own rhythm and body.
No, I mean, I think credit goes to you because you are giving them the platform to come and talk.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
मेरे case में तो come and yap, but yeah, that's what I mean. कि, you're letting them come and be themselves and
Yes.
talk about their passion or whatever they're doing. और बहुत ज़रूरी है. I mean, we
Yes.
need more people to come
Yeah,
on this.
I mean, a girl's girl is a girl which actually makes it.
100%.
yeah.
This also comes with age. I think that's what you learn.
Yeah, otherwise you're always like kind of, who's looking better, me or
Yeah,
you?
I think I mean वो बचपन से maybe like थोड़ा बहुत आप में होता है ये, and then eventually like when you find the right kind of people,
Yeah.
the right kind of community,
Yeah.
you understand that we're all the same and we're all
Yeah.
walking each other home. Wow.
Yes. With that, I think we're not gonna end this. So let's just end it here.
We should end it. We should end
Thank you
this.
guys.